Mr. Miracle Best Quality, Sturdy Standard Size Cupcake Paper Liners. Great for cupcakes, desserts, hot and cold appetizers, and candies. White Paper Baking Cups 500 Liners. Please note, as these liners are packed into bundles very tightly, lightly separating them will result in occasional sticking with multiple liners. Approx 1/7/8 x 1/5/16 equals 4.5. Packed by Mr. Miracle. Best quality white cupcake liners 500 pieces per pack, fit to all standard size cupcake pans. Dimensions: wall height 1/5/16, base diameter 1/7/8. Approx diameter when pressed flat 4.5. Top reviews from the United States. These are great. I use liners all the time in my muffin tin for all kinds of food, not just cupcakes. Breakfast/lunch/snacks, etc., makes pan cleanup a breeze and aids in keeping food portion sizes under control. These are standard size cups. I compared them to the ones I already had on hand from the grocery store and they are exactly the same size, quality, and thickness. I don't care in the least that they are all white and not different varieties of colors. For me it's about the food in them, not what color they are. There are a ton of liners in this purchase, but I'm pleased. I won't be needing any more for a long time. I will definitely reorder more whenever that time does come.